You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all this fascinating word. I love this word. We should definitely use it a little bit more. It designates the day after tomorrow. So if you don't want to say the whole phrase the day after tomorrow, just say this word pronounced as overmorrow. Over. Now you're going to have slightly different pronunciations, whether it's British English or American English. The Americans will say overmorrow, American pronunciation, or in British English, overmorrow, stress on the mo syllable. So it's the combination of the word over, so one day over the next day, and tomorrow, so it's over tomorrow, overmorrow. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.